Academic conversations are crucial for promoting critical thinking, language development, and deep understanding in students. However, facilitating meaningful discussions can be a challenge. That's where the QSSSA method comes in. This powerful technique provides a structured approach to engaging students in academic conversations across any grade level or content area. Let's explore how you can implement QSSSA in your classroom. The QSSSA method is an acronym that stands for Question, Signal, STEM, Share, and Assess. Here's how it works. Step 1. Question. Start by posing an open-ended question related to the topic or concept you're discussing. This question should encourage students to think critically and engage with the material on a deeper level. Step 2. Signal. After posing the question, have students signal when they're ready to respond. This could be a simple hand gesture, a written response, or a physical signal like standing up. Step 3. STEM. Provide a sentence stem for students to complete as they formulate their responses. This stem helps guide their thinking and scaffold their language production. Step 4. Share. Once students have completed the sentence stem, have them share their responses with a partner, small group, or the whole class. This step encourages collaboration, active listening, and the exchange of ideas. Step 5. Assess. Call on random students to share their responses or insights from the group discussions. This step allows you to assess their understanding, address any misconceptions, and provide feedback or further clarification. The QSSSA method is powerful because it promotes active participation and engagement in academic conversations, encourages critical thinking and deeper understanding of concepts, supports language development and academic discourse, allows for formative assessment, and addressing misconceptions fosters collaboration, active listening, and the exchange of ideas. By implementing the QSSSA method in your classroom, you'll create a dynamic and engaging learning environment where academic conversations thrive. Students will become active participants, critical thinkers, and effective communicators across all grade levels and content areas. Give it a try and watch as your students eagerly participate in rich discussions, share their insights, and deepen their understanding of academic concepts. The QSSSA method is a versatile tool that can transform your classroom into a vibrant hub of intellectual discourse. So what are you waiting for? Unlock the power of engaging academic conversations with the QSSSA method today. For more tips and tricks, visit trilingual.com. By joining forces with Trilingual, schools are equipped to foster affirming learning environments where every student has the opportunity to excel.